Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm your complete Toyota resource. Toyota Tacoma, it's one of the toughest of all the tough vehicles out there. It's dependable, reliable. It can go wherever you need it to go. But how does it do that? One of those resources is MultiTerrain Select. Let me show you the philosophy behind it and how you can use it on and off the road. MultiTerrain Select allows your truck to operate, let's say off the beaten path, we'll call it, by regulating wheel spin and adjust the engine throttle and also the brake pressure based on the terrain you're encountering. For example, mud and sand, loose rock, moguls, rock and dirt, or also bigger rocks. Since you're the driver, you get to control which of the 5 modes you put your vehicle in. We're in a Toyota Tacoma 2020 TRD off-road, and I'm going to show you your off-road resources. This is locking rear differential, crawl control, and MTS, MultiTerrain Select. It has 5 different settings. Like I said, mud and sand, loose rock, mogul, rock and dirt, and bigger rocks. To operate MultiTerrain Select, the first thing we want to do is to put it into low 4-wheel drive. So, neutral. There we go. And then we've got vehicle stability control turned off. It also turned off the pre-collision braking system. So now we're going to push MultiTerrain Select, and then based on the knob selection, we've got mud and sand, loose rock, mogul, rock and dirt, and rock. Do a little demo here. We're gonna go up some rocks. So as you can see, this is what we're encountering right here. So we might have some wheel spin. Let's put it onto rock and dirt. See how we do. Doing just fine. If there is any wheel spin, the setting that allows the most wheel slippage is going to be mud and sand, progressively less wheel slippage as you get up to full rock. So adjust your settings accordingly. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Write down in the comment section if you would use MultiTerrain Select, or better yet, if you own a Toyota and you've used MultiTerrain Select, where have you taken it? How have you used it? And how did it perform? Please subscribe to Toyota Jeff YouTube channel. Pass this channel on to a friend, family member, or coworker if you like it. And we'll see you next time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!